I have several Arlo security cameras, and I got some off-brand batteries with a charger, and after 2.5 years you can see that the battery swelled in here to the point where it actually cracked the case. And you can see here I either have a red light that means it's charging or a green light that means that the batteries are charged. So I'm going to try a new battery. This one I just got off of Amazon, the lithium ion. This is the unboxing of it. And since I'm doing this with one hand, let me put this up here on my camera. There we go. So, there we go. So inside here, inside this lithium ion box, little piece of foam. Here we've got, I ordered 2 batteries and a charger, and of course you can't open this box up without destroying it. And inside is this battery, and it looks like it's about the same size as one of these. That's a good sign. Here's the other one. Once again, we have to destroy the box to get it open. And so I got 2 batteries. Oh, here we go. Okay. So it does not come with a charger. Here is what comes in this box. This is the actual dual slot charger. The reason I like this, I'm giving this a try. It does not come with a charger. Here's the user guide. Anyway, I get a little cable here. Not very long, but there's no charger. But what has me intrigued about this charger is it has a dial on it to indicate how much it's charged. So another nice thing is you can do it with a USB-C or a regular USB connector. And then when I plug this in, these should be fully charged batteries. This is the one that's cracked right here. So let's try it, see what it says when I plug it in here. Oops. And I don't know if you can see it, but it is so bulged on both sides here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make contact here with these pins. Yep, there it goes. It says it's fully charged. And so these batteries, so these pins here go up on these pins. There. So this is interesting. I plug this in, and this battery here, which was full, now I unplug this one, and it says it's charging this one. So it looks like it charges this one first. There, okay, you can see it's charging this one now. And I put in the second one, the battery that goes with this charger. And for some strange reason, it's charging both of them. This is kind of strange. Anyway, this one should be full, but it's cracked. The battery that came with it looks like it was at about 50%, now it's charging it. So I'll go ahead and unplug this one, or unwrap this one. And this is what I got off of Amazon. And this battery has been unreliable. Whenever I plug it into a camera, the camera usually doesn't boot up. So now I'm going to plug this in. There we go. I really like this over this other charger because this charger either said red for charging or green for it's fully charged. Here, at least I have an idea whether it's at 25%, 50%. This battery was at 25%. This battery was at 50% when I opened up the package. So I think I'm going to prefer this charger over this one. Really like this charger. It lets me know. I really like this charger because this gauge lets me know when it's done, whereas over here when I plug in a battery I get either a red light or I get greens. These are charged up. Over here, yeah, they're charged up. Anyway, I really like this charger, and I wrote the date on the batteries of when I bought them. This is battery 1, battery 2, and most batteries only last 2 to 3 years, so I'll see if I get my money's worth out by 2026.